Hello friends, I am Dr. Atul Bhave. Friends, all of you have studied for 12 years from standard 1st to standard 12th. You have created base of your education, your educational premise. Now it is time to decide which type of structure you have to create on this base. Whether you want to become a businessman, you want to become a job holder, officer, and whatnot. Sky is the limit. Ample opportunities are available. फ्रेंड्स, लहरों से डरकर नैया पार नहीं होती। लहरों से डरकर नैया पार नहीं होती। कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। फॉर बिल्डिंग योर करियर, this is the time to decide what to do in future. Friends, proper guidance is very much required, and I am going to guide you about your career avenue which you want to select from the available opportunities, available avenues. Therefore, kindly subscribe this channel so that such videos about different careers you can get. With proper guidance, you can decide what I want to become. Now, for building our career premise, what is required is strong desire. You should have strong desire. And secondly, you should make all round efforts to bring your desire into real life. So, strong desire with proper efforts in the right direction is very much required from you for achieving great success in your life as well as building a good career. Now friends, in today's lecture, this session, what I want to discuss with you is top 12 career opportunities for commerce students. There are n number of career opportunities, but I have selected such 12 opportunities which I am going to discuss with you through this lecture. So let us go towards top 12 career opportunities available after 12th HSC Commerce. Friends, first career opportunity which I want to discuss with you is very common, that is BCom, General BCom. Those who pass 12th standard HSC Commerce usually go towards General BCom course, that is 3 years degree course. Now friends, why this General BCom is selected? It is traditional course, first thing. Secondly, those who want to take degree of BCom for taking company jobs, for becoming degree holder as a prestige issue, for becoming lecturers, for appearing for banking exams, UPSC, MPSC exams, and for many opportunities available which requires graduate person. For that purpose, this traditional General BCom is a good side to go for. But friends, this BCom is a traditional, and now there are a lot of changes, and to take benefit of the changes, this BCom's course with some specialization is also made available by different universities. What is their BCom with specialization? First of that is BAP, Bachelor of Accounting and Finance. It gives information about accounts, finance. Those who want to make careers in accounts, careers in finance should go for Bachelor of Accounting and Finance. Same 3-year degree like traditional BCom. Then there is BFM, that is Bachelor of Financial Markets. Now, those who wish to work in the share market or share market related jobs, those who want to take, should go for Bachelor of Financial Markets, same 3-year degree. Then there is BBI, Bachelor of Banking and Insurance. Now, After globalization, liberalization and privatization in free economy, lot of opportunities are there in service sector in general and banking and insurance in particular. At national level, international level, all over the world. To grab such opportunities, to get knowledge about banking, insurance, and to work in banking and insurance sector, it is better option to take degree of BBI, that is Bachelor of Banking and Insurance. Let us go towards some other specializations. There is also specialization BCom with e-commerce. Now after this pandemic of corona, what happened is, without going out of the house, we want to do our certain things. We want to purchase something, we want to do bank transactions. Means what? The use of online mode has increased after pandemic, and if pandemic ends, this habit of people of going online, doing things online will not be going to be reduced. So e-commerce is better sector for our career. So BCom with e-commerce is very good option. Then there is also BCom with business economics. Those who want to work in banks or finance related sectors, work as analyst, can go for this BCom with business economics. Then there is also available BCom with computer application. In the world of IT today, this is a good to take degree of BCom with computer applications. Those who are having passion in the sector of computers or IT should take that avenue as their career. Then there is also available BCom with statistics. Job of analyzing are available all over the world. To become analyzer, math stat related jobs, for this purpose BCom with statistics specialization is also available. There is also BCom with IT available. Now in the world of information technology, BCom with IT is a very good option to choose for our career. So friends, what I discussed now, firstly I discussed BCom, traditional general, and then BCom with certain specializations. Both of them are normal degrees, traditional degrees. But the third avenue which I want to discuss is professional degree, that is BBA, Bachelor of Business Administrations. Now friends, Bachelor of Business Administration or BBA is professional degree, same 3 years. Those who want to do MBA in future should go for this BBA. Why? Because it is easy to go for MBA after BBA. 1 year you can save by going through this way. BBA is professional degree, as I told you. So BBA is a better option for those who want to take professional degree after HSC. Now if you want to do BBA, for this BBA there are certain specializations like HR management, business communication, management skills, business law, financial management, etc., etc. So different type of our interests which will guide us to choose which type of BBA we have to do. Friends, with BBA there is also BMS, Bachelor of Management Studies, which is also good course for those who want to work in company management, day-to-day operations. That is also a good career option. Now these three which I discussed, BCom, BCom with specialization and BBA, are hardcore commerce career avenues. Now the career avenues which I want to discuss are not hardcore commerce, but they are such career avenues which are having ample employment opportunities, good employment opportunities, but people from commerce as well as other sector go for these avenues. Now, these avenues are for those who are having ample amount of interest in those avenues, because interest is the key factor for such avenues. Which are they? 6 such avenues I want to discuss with you. First is BHM. BHM means Bachelor of Hotel Management. Now friends, this BHM is very good course because hotel industry is a sunrise industry all over the world. People want to work in hotels. From chef to administration, all opportunities are available for working. So those who are having interest in hotel industry can go for this course, that is BHM, Bachelor of Hotel Management. Now second is BJMC. What is mean by BJMC? Bachelor of Journalism and Mass Communication. Today media is the key. Hindi, English as well as regional languages. Everywhere media is there. Anchors are there. Then media house staff is there. Reporters are there. All those job avenues are available and they are increasing day by day. So those who are having interest in journalism can go for Bachelor of Journalism and Mass Communication or Mass Media. Third is BTTM. What is mean by BTTM? Bachelor of Travel and Tourism Management. Now, India, the country with unity in diversity. Our ancient tradition is there, natural beauty is there, medical tourism is there. So tourism in the country is increasing day by day. Our government is also trying to uplift tourism industry. So there are ample of opportunities in this sector. Those who are having interest in traveling, interest in communicating with different people should go for this BTTM, Bachelor of Travel and Tourism Management. Next is BVOC. What is mean by BVOC? BVOC means Bachelor of Vocation Education. This is a new degree course started by universities. Now this BVOC course is very good because practical training is given in this course and there is guarantee of placement given by those colleges who are running this course of BVOC. Let us go for next, that is BDIS, that is Bachelor of Designing. Friends, in the world today, cartoons, animation is increasing. Cartoon channels you can see, different cartoons you can see, animation is used everywhere. So those who are having interest in those cartoons, animation, designing should go for Bachelor of Designing. Then there is BCA, that is Bachelor of Computer Application. Now this BCA course is very good for those who are having interest in computer, IT and some practical teaching learning. Those students should take admission for BCA. It is also a 3-year degree and in company world there is a lot of demand for those students who have took the degree of BCA. Let us go towards third part. First part I discussed 3 careers avenues which are hardcore commerce. In the second I discussed these 6 career avenues which are not hardcore commerce but a better option for commerce students. Now I am going to discuss 3 careers which are professional careers from commerce faculty, and everyone in the commerce wish to pursue those careers. Which are they? Let us go towards those careers. First career which I want to discuss with you is CA, that is Chartered Accountant. Now this CA or Chartered Accountant is a degree offered by ICAI, that is Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. Now in this CA there are 3 parts in the course. Before that, for going to CA we have to give CPT, that is entrance exam. Then there are 3 parts in the course. First is foundation, second is intermediate, and third is final. Now first of all we have to give foundation. After foundation we have to give intermediate. For that 2 groups of 4 subjects each are there. After clearing either 1 group or 2 groups, you can appear for 3 years practical training, that is internship, under some good CA firm, CA, because that internship gives you practical training, and how good opportunity you get in internship that decide your future package after clearing CA. After completing at least 2.5 years, that is 2.5 years from internship, you can appear for CA final examination. So CA is very good opportunity in accounting, auditing, company world. CA is a must. So those who want to pursue this career, they should get respect, they should get lot of money, but a lot of efforts, lot of hard work is also required. You can appear for CA after BCom also. Then you don't have to give foundation, but for that lap of 1 year you cannot consume 3 years. So after going after 12th for CA is a good option. Then let us go towards second, that is CS, Company Secretary. Now what is Company Secretary? Company Secretary is friend, philosopher and guide of company. Operational aspect, operational management of company, planning, legalities, all those things are handled by Company Secretary. He is just like backbone. Everything of the company he handles regarding operational matters. Now for Company Secretary also there is foundation, intermediate and final, 3 stages. After 12th you can get admission for CS. Then third is about cost accounting related career, that is CWA, Cost and Work Accountant. There is one institute in India, Institute of Cost and Work Accountant of India. That institute gives this degree of Cost and Work Accountant. For this CW also there is foundation, intermediate and final, like that levels are there. Now friends, those who want to relate themselves, correlate themselves with cost audit, cost aspects, can go for this CWA career. So friends, these are the 3 professional careers, hardcore commerce, like Chartered Accountant, Company Secretary and Cost and Work Accountant. Friends, about each and every avenue which I discussed, I am going to prepare very good videos about detailed information of each and every career in upcoming periods. For watching those videos, subscribe my YouTube channel so that you can watch those videos. About this lecture, this information, you can comment in the comment box. Also, if you like this lecture, you can press like button. Friends, at the end, I like to tell you that whatever career you want, you choose from among the given careers. But the thing is that proper guidance is required, which you can get from me. With that, you should have a strong desire of achieving that career, and with that, you should work hard. So, strong desire and a lot of efforts are very much required for converting your desire into practical reality. Now, friends, at the end, I like to tell you that efforts are very much required for achieving anything. I like to end my lecture with one quote, that is, मंजिल उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनकी सपनों में जान होती है। मंजिल उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनकी सपनों में जान होती है। पंखों से कुछ नहीं होता, बस हौसलों से उड़ान होती है। पंखों से कुछ नहीं होता, बस हौसलों से उड़ान होती है। थैंक यू।